Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about 4 work from home jobs that are hiring right now. So let's get right into it. The first company we're looking at is Omni Interactions, and they are looking for work from home customer service representatives in contract roles. This is a remote position, and you can work from home as long as you live in the US. Now, here's the overview of the position. They'd like you to apply with a laptop or desktop. 3 things to decide if contract work is for you. So they want you to watch these YouTube videos. So let's scroll down. Omni platform overview. Work from home, set your own schedule, get paid. So joining Omni Interactions as an independent contractor, you'll gain access to a variety of exclusive contracts. If you partner with us, you'll work from home, providing customer service to Omni clients. You can provide customer service over the phone, over chat, by working tickets, or by making outbound calls. You earn money by supporting Omni's clients. Let's scroll down. They want you to watch this video as well. Here's a little about their application process. This is a start of your journey to contracting with Omni. Once you have joined our community of remote customer care contractors, you will have exclusive access to view all open contracts. Begin your journey by clicking Apply Now. And complete your profile. As a part of the application process, you need to take an online assessment, which only takes about 15 minutes. If you meet the requirements, you'll receive an invitation within 24 hours to log into our online portal where you will view and apply for contracts that match your interests. Don't forget to check out our technology requirements before applying. So here's what they offer, the overview. Independent contractors who are among the qualified candidates will provide customer service, taking inbound calls, answering chat messages, and responding to emails for Fortune 500 companies. You will interact with customers primarily through inbound phone calls and possibly chat, email, helping them with their needs. The schedule, flexible work schedule options available. Majority of the work hours are during the weekdays and daytime. Opportunity to create your own schedule that works best for you. Earnings. Contract earnings vary by client with a competitive rate typically ranging from $14 to $20 an hour. Pay is determined by your phone call status when assisting customers. Additional incentives available based on client performance metrics. Required skills to be successful: exceptional written and verbal communication skills, proven track record in customer service and delivering outstanding customer care, keen attention to detail, friendly, empathetic, and professional, self-motivated, proactive, resourceful, proficient in technology. Important information, these are the technology requirements. Work environments, they want it to be quiet and uninterrupted. The second company we're looking at is Lamps Plus, and they are looking for a remote customer retention specialist, looking for candidates that reside in Nevada, Texas, Arizona, Colorado, Florida, and Georgia. We are seeking a remote customer retention specialist to work from home. Under the supervision of the customer retention managers, the remote customer retention specialist acts as a primary point of contact for all inquiries and issues involving internet customer service via phone, acting as a liaison to the processing department team. Our fully paid training program is conducted at our Chatsworth headquarters or via webinar for approximately 4 to 6 weeks. Paid training online. There you go. Job description. We're going to go through this briefly. I'm not going to read all of this to you and put you to sleep. Okay. Handles incoming calls on all customer service related inquiries, order changes, status updates, and cancellations. Utilizes salesmanship to maximize sales opportunities. Translation, they want you to upsell customers. Provide lighting and home decor solutions. Demonstrates self-confidence and a desire to go the extra mile. Provides proactive, consistent follow-up to all customer inquiries. Documents a complete summary of the customer's inquiry, actions taken, and expectations set forth for the order, and performs other duties as assigned. Job requirements: minimum of 1 year of customer service experience or retail background. So, in your younger years, if you've worked in any retail, any stores, you probably have the experience. Call center experience preferred, not required. Excellent verbal and written communication skills, computer literate, excellent typing and data entry skills, able to multitask, that is, talk on the phone and type notes, effective problem solver, must be available to work Saturdays. Regular job attendance is required in accordance with a regular schedule established for the position by the supervisor. As a condition of employment, employees must provide and maintain high-speed internet connection that meets the LAMPS plus internet department requirements at all times to maintain employment. Employees who are unable to provide and maintain required internet service that meets our specifications may be terminated from their employment. The third company we're looking at is WAP. Their website is wap.com. They're looking for a customer support specialist. About WAP, here's the background of the company. They've been in existence for less than 3 years, so they're in their infancy. Let's look at the role. The salary for this position is $48,000. It's a remote position. They offer flexibility to work from anywhere in the United States. Available shifts are as follows: 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., and 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern. You will have a 40-hour work week, which is 5 days a week. So, as a customer support specialist, you're the go-to person for our users and creators. Field in their questions through live chat on Intercom. You'll be the hero who troubleshoots and resolves issues. Basically, you're solving problems. Make sure that every customer response is clear, comprehensive, and leaves our customers smiling. If a problem needs a bit more attention, you'll team up with colleagues to find the perfect solution and escalate when necessary. Your mission: keep our customers thrilled with fast, friendly, and effective support. Okay, let's scroll down. Your first 30 days. So they have a breakdown of what will happen. This is cool. Day 7. Meet the team, dive into our products. Day 14, shadow the pros. Day 21, take charge of your own tickets. Day 30, you're now flying solo. You can read through that. I will not read everything to you and put you to sleep. Who you are: WAP savvy. They want you to learn their systems. You're an e-commerce expert. You're analytical and strategic. You're a creative problem solver, and you can communicate because you're a guru. What you'll be doing: again, first point of contact, troubleshooting. Basically, you're problem solving. Qualifications: previous experience in a customer support or similar role. So that's very broad. 9 times out of 10, you have the experience. Excellent communication skills, strong problem solving ability to juggle tasks, get familiar with WAP, Intercom, Slack, and linear is a bonus. Ready to work different shifts, including nights and weekends. Apply for this job right here. Straightforward. Fill in your information, attach your resume, your cover letter, submit the application. And the fourth company we're looking at is Ross Dress for Less. And they are looking for a customer service representative, and this is a remote position. So let's scroll down and look at the position. You're responsible for maintaining all store policies and procedures, as well as managing the distribution, indexing, and tracking of resulting documentation. The base pay for this role is between $17.07 to $27.38. The base pay range is dependent on factors including, but not limited to, experience, skills, qualifications, relevant education, certification, seniority, and location. The range listed is just one component of the total compensation package for employees. Other rewards vary by position. Sounds like you get a discount. Essential functions: customer service issue resolution. Basically, you're problem solving, just like the other position. You're responding to customer inquiries, resolve customer complaints, provide excellent level of customer service, utilizes strong phone skills when speaking to customers, has the ability to listen, sympathize, and respond in a friendly manner, to customer issues, even when the customer's upset. Understands and implements ROS policies, records all inquiries in the customer call database, interacts and follows up with district managers. Associate must develop and maintain advanced knowledge of ROS refund control, electronic journal, value link, client line, Soltran, and customer service call database. These sound like all softwares. Ability to work well within a team demonstrates the ability to use good judgment, responsible for maintaining all necessary records, processes all resulting paperwork from customer inquiries, provides support for store operation projects as needed, competencies. Let's see, customer service, adaptability, communication, collaboration, integrity, and conflict management. Qualifications and special skills required: high school diploma, 2 years customer service experience, preferred, not required. Very strong written and verbal communication skills, intermediate MS Office skills, second language desirable, probably Spanish. This position may be performed remotely anywhere in the United States. Supervisor responsibility, none.